guys, it's Kharyzma. I am in the process of taking product photos for my new business. I now sell lip gloss and other cosmetics. That is part of the expansion of my business, Kharyzma4u, and I am so excited. By the time you see this, my website should be up. I wasn't gonna tape, but I have everything laid out right here so pretty, so I'm like, let me vlog so that I could have these moments that I could look back at and see how much I've grown, how much I've progressed, where I started from, and how much I grow from this point. I'm very, very excited. I'm sort of a bit like not believing it's true, because I started sometime like the end of February with just the idea and the inspiration. And then throughout March and April, I did like so much research, and I vlogged about it. I'll put some of those videos up if they're not up already. I vlogged about it, and I researched, and I studied everything that I needed to study in terms of what it takes to make the gloss and the things that I have to buy, my supplies and everything like that, labels, tubes, and everything. And I'm just so happy that it's finally come to fruition. Look at my business card. Well, this is one of my thank you cards. The camera is on face front selfie mode, so sorry that it's backwards, but yeah, it says Kharyzma4u, fashion, beauty, and style. And because I started out sewing and doing fashion, and so I'm now expanding and trying to incorporate everything that I do in one location. Hopefully I can seamlessly put everything together and it'll all make sense to everyone else. Yeah, so I did a lot of work during this quarantine. I really did, and I'm very thankful to God, who has blessed me so much throughout this whole entire journey. So let me show you some of my glosses. So while I have it laid out really, really pretty, look at that. I can show you my photo now. Kharyzma4u, fashion, beauty, style, Kharyzma4u.com, and my Etsy shop will still remain up. So you guys who have supported my business there, my hair accessories, custom clothing, it's still gonna be there. And I will now have a website which will have some clothing, some hair accessories, but I'm expanding to my cosmetics. Look at this, look how pretty. Let me go through the colors with you. I have squeeze tubes right here, and these are wand tubes. So, and you see my label on there, Kharyzma4u. I'm still working on my logo, guys. So this is the preliminary logo, so to speak. So it can change, but for now I'm going with what I have. So this is the clear. This is a frosty color. I'm gonna call that one snowflake. This one is purple. I can't remember what's the name that I was gonna call it, but it'll be up by now. You should look at the site and it'll be up. This is red. This is rose gold. This is, let me remember, this is raspberry. This is gold. I believe I'm gonna call this golden something. I don't remember, I gotta look at my notes. And this is gonna be called cappuccino. So now with the wand tubes, it's the same thing, but I have they're prettier, and I have some combinations. This is the clear, this is the frosty color. This now I'm mixing with purple and raspberry, so I believe that one's going to be called purple raspberry. This one is raspberry. This one is red. This one is the rose gold. This one is cappuccino. I know it doesn't look like it. Let me turn it around. It's kind of mixed, but the one that's up will most likely be this color here. That's the cappuccino. And we have this purple and gold. I'm gonna call this royalty. Purple and gold. I'm trying to fix it back so my name is showing. But yeah, guys, this is my lip gloss, and here is my website. Go check it out. Please support, and yeah, thank you so much. Also, by the time you see this, my website should be up, and if anyone is interested in starting a lip gloss company, I will have starter kits available for those of you who want to learn how to make gloss, but you're not quite sure how to do it, you're not quite sure where to get supplies, you don't feel like going out and getting all the supplies. I'm gonna offer starter kits which will have everything that you need to start a lip gloss business, or start to practice, or just start to make lip gloss if that's something that you would like to do. That will be available on my site, and so many other things. But I just wanted to quickly videotape myself after I did my little photo shoot. So thank you so much, guys. Please support my websites, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma4u, and now Kharyzma4u.com. Sorry, this is backwards because it's back on selfie mode. But thank you guys for your support. I love you all. Bye-bye.